So here we are demonstrating the project of automation of residential electricity cutoff using network-based embedded controller. So here the so-called embedded controller is PIC16F72 microcontroller, and it will be cut off the power supply to the load whenever the threshold value set inside the programmer crossed. So this particular threshold value will be identified by the PIC microcontroller through this optocoupler. So here the power flow is two sections are there. So we are going to put 230 volts input to the energy meter, and the output of the energy meter given it to the load through this electromagnetic relay, and the system microcontroller will get the power supply from this adapter. So it will take the 230 volts input and provide the 5 volts regulated power supply constantly. Once it get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from the optocoupler. So here the system is like, as we know that there will be a light indication on the energy meter, so it will indicate the load status and load indication. So the blinking rate between the two blinks will be calculated by the PIC microcontroller, and it will calculate the kilowatt hour. So how much of reading is consumed by the so-called load, and we are going to set the limit inside the microcontroller through the embedded C language. So it will check for the condition. If it is below the threshold value, then it will allow the power supply through this electromagnetic relay to the load. So here we are using 5 volt operated electromagnetic relay. There will be one light indication. It will show the status of this relay, and one diode also will be presented. So whenever the relay is getting on and off, it will provide the back EMF. That particular back EMF will be neutralized by this diode. And the next, so the so-called status of the kits, nothing but the how much of reading consumed by this load, will be displayed on the LCD. So which is connected at 60x to LCD, which is connected at B2 to B7, and optocoupler is connected at the A4 pin, and relay will be connected at C3 pin. So let us see the demonstration. When we switch on this kit, we need to provide the two power supplies. One is for the load and one is for the motherboard. So just restart. Right. So now after welcome message displayed, the system will switch on the relay, and it will allow the power supply to the load, and the units will be calculated in terms of kilowatt hour. So this will be keep on increased as the load is connected to the energy meter. The reading will be increased fast whenever we place the heavy load. So as we have placed here 200 watts bulb, so based on the load connectivity, so the system will increasing the load kilowatt hour. So we set the limit in the kilowatt hour is 0.3. So whenever the 0.3 is crossed, then automatically the supply will be isolated to the load through this electromagnetic relay. So we are sending 5 volts trigger pulse from the microcontroller, then still we get the 5 volts power supply, the relay will in on condition only. Right. So when it's crossed the 0.3, right, now the supply is discontinued to the load as the reading got crossed the 0.03. So we can change this in real time based on the load and kilowatt hour readings.